Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into join Cappy on an on-chain exploration mission with the Cappys chain exploration campaign on Superboard. This, we will explore, 8 quests, 2, 4, 6, 7 quests in this campaign, exploring base, Celo, Inc, Soneium, Arbitrum, multi-send, and mint the Blockscout badge. So get ready to have some fun, but before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like merits plus 500 in USDC prize pool for completing this campaign. So if you do need any help navigating this, please jump in Discord, hit me up on Twitter. The links are all down below. Catch me at the BCR142. I also co-host a show called DeFi Crypto and Airdrops every Tuesday and Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, where we deep dive into projects like Superboard and others. And we also do crypto and chill conversations every Friday. So check us out here. A lot of great DeFi information, tens of thousands of dollars of value for free, all right here. And you can catch us on Twitter, _DCA, and the host, Veteran Crypto, at Veteran4Crypto. Great DeFi mind. So get in here, check him out. And we're also streaming on pump.fun. So with that, let's get into it. So we will mint the Cappy chain exploration badge or exploration pass. This will give you access to the whole campaign. Connect our wallet. I think it's about $1.20 right now at current prices, current ETH prices. Boom, boom. Alrighty then. Whoops, I need to switch your wallet right here just to make sure that you are using the proper wallet, because sometimes it might put you at a different one. All right, visit Superboard, follow them on X, join the Telegram, and let's claim our reward. And shout out to the Superboard team for the V2 update. If you haven't checked that video out, it is in my video history, so check it out. A lot of great updates for this. Much faster, much smoother process. All right, next up is the base. It's all about that base, Swap at least $5 worth of any asset on base using Swap Essential dApp and earn merits. So let's see what I got on base right now. I may need to move some funds over. Yep, gas.zip. So let's see, log in, continue with Web3 wallet. All right, so we need to go to BSC. I'm gonna move some funds over here. We'll make it 15 just in case I need to do more. Okay, do the email later. All right. Now, what do we need? Swap on base. Yeah, that's a fake one. Okay, so let's swap into some USDT. All right, I should have, might need to refresh. Give it the old refresh. No, doesn't look like it's updating. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. To USDT. What the heck? Oh, why does it say? This thing's glitching out, man. This thing is glitching out. Okay, but that's not right. I don't know what's going on with this, but this is not working properly. All right, we'll come back to the base one. So let's exit and go back to the main page because that's not working. All right, Celo, let's try this one, but then it just goes back. So there's something up with that. Okay, so we're gonna go on Celo and try this. Gonna put the right address. So we're gonna use, okay, swap $5 worth of any asset on Celo. I really don't think I have anything on Celo. Let's see if we can just do this. See if we can get around the $5 swaps. There's some annoying high-pitched sound outside. Fingers crossed. All right, we're gonna try this. Sound like there's an alarm going off outside. Okay, we're gonna send over some funds to Celo. So we're gonna do some swap. I'm gonna swap on Celo. And then what we'll do is send that over to the next chain. So we're gonna do some chain hopping here. All right. So now let's verify. Yes, there we go. Great success. Okay, now we are on to the next one. Thanks. Inc. So let's pop this on over to Inc. And we will just send it to wrapped ETH. Boom, boom. So this is gonna take 3 minutes. Okay, how about we just send it to USDC? View, preparing bridge, wait for destination chain. Yeah, the easiest way to do this is just send these funds from one chain to the next and then swap on that chain. Let's see if that counts. All right, let's see if this counts. Ooh, it does. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna resume this on base. So we're gonna go from USDC over to base, USDC. And now we are, oh shit, 5 minutes? Damn. Okay. Well, that's silly. Looks like we shall wait. All right. Now that that is done, let's see and verify. Boom. Yes. So there we go. We don't even have to swap on that same chain. We can just do it all cross chain. So Soneium is up next. Let's give this a shot. See what we got to do. So we'll swap into Soneium. So let's swap that. Click here, find Soneium right here. Let's see what asset we want to slide into. All right, we'll just stick with the USDC. 4 seconds, nice. You want to make sure that the time to bridge isn't fucking 5 minutes. Need to select that. Need to get this and done. Okay, doke. Artichoke. Nope. What? We have determined that is a lie. Soneium. Let's see. Bullshit. All right. Let's exchange this into some Ethereum on Solana. Swap into the ETH. Swap into the ETH. Done. So we should get that. Yes. All right. Skip animation. Now we go on to Arbitrum, start, and let's swap this to the Arbitrum. Okay, 4, 5, swap some over, and it uses gas.zip, so that's nice. Bridge it on over. Beautiful. Let's see if we got that to verify. I guess not. I guess we're going to have to swap on chain now. All right. So let's swap into 0.0038. Let's swap a little bit of that on the ARBs. Oh, no. No, never mind. Whoops. Doing the wrong chain. I don't want that on Soneium. I needed to select this. The USDCs, and there we go. We want to make sure that we are on Arbitrum. Arbitrum, got it. Boom. There we go. Now we can verify. Now multi-send. I'm not sure what this one is, but let's see. Send tokens to multiple addresses on base chain at once with multi-send. Okay, so let's toss this back over to the base network, and we're gonna check this out. So multi-send. On the base chain, let's see. All right, we are going to send some Ethereum, and I'm going to send some here and to another wallet right here. Proceed. Show example. Okay, the address. So it needs to have a comma and then the amount of ETH. So 1, then we'll just copy that and paste it. There we go. So we're gonna send that amount to each one, and make sure you put the comma like I shown you. And bada boom, bada bing. Transaction 1. Oh, I guess you can skip this, but it's good to know how to send across multiple wallets. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bada bam. There you go. Dunzo. No thanks. And let's go back here. Oh, and looks like that's it. Looks like the badge is coming soon. So we don't have this one yet. It will be coming soon. Not sure how many hours that is, but let's see. 112.84 divided by 60. So 21 days this badge will be coming. And let's see, swap, verify transaction. Okay, I guess not. Well, there you go. All of these are complete, and we have one more to go, but we will wait for that. But there you go. So I hope you learned how to use this Blockscout, and it's pretty quick, pretty easy. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please jump in the Discord, hit me up on Twitter. All the links are down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.